Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Spotify keeps pausing. So in order to fix this issue, you first have to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar you simply need to type Spotify in the search bar. Then you will be able to see the Spotify application, so you need to tap on its icon and then you will be landed on this section. Here if you see any update relating to the Spotify application, then you need to tap on the update button, and once the update is installed successfully, you just have to select the open button and then you just have to try to play the music that you want. Then you just have to try to tap on the pause button and check whether it is working or not, and if your issue is fixed or not. If the issue still persists, then what you need to do is you just have to go to your settings, and in the settings you just have to select the option of apps. In the apps you need to tap on manage apps, and then you will be able to see the app info of Spotify. So here, once you are in the app info of Spotify, you just have to tap on the clear data option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then tap on clear cache and then press OK. Now after clearing the cache of your Spotify application, you again have to launch it and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still not fixed, then the third method that you can try is you can simply clear your data of the Spotify application, and then you just have to relaunch it and you need to re-log in into your account. With the help of these few methods, you will be able to definitely fix this issue. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.